this is Missy with Cady Realty. Welcome to 9088 Starpass. This home is located in Timberlin Park, conveniently located off Southside Boulevard, close to everything in this area. What I love about this home is the amazing amount of natural light that comes in. It has a cute little backyard, completely fenced, but wait until you see how this home lights up. Come on inside. Wait until you see the interior of this home. It has been completely updated. Brand new appliances, all new paint, and it is a split floor plan. You've got the master suite on one side and the other bedrooms on the other side. Check it out.